Hi everyone, my name is Disha. Today I would like to represent my PowerPoint presentation on the topic of global outsourcing and IT strategy from Disha Talwar. Let's get started. The what is global IT outsourcing? It refers to the systemic approach of external firms handling information and technology work. Organizations perform software development along with cloud computing and cybersecurity and data management while outsourcing their customer support functions. The popular destinations are India, China, the Philippines, Eastern Europe, and Latin America. What are the key benefits? If I'll talk about the key benefits, there are the numerous key benefits, but the most important are the system leads to diminished operational and administrative expenses for both manpower and administrative expenses. Wonderful global talent is from the worldwide skilled professionals. An organization becomes able to allocate internal resources to strategic priorities after focusing on its core business areas. The capability to grow IT capabilities through a scalable infrastructure requires little new capital expenditure and 24 by 7 operations, which makes the company best. What are the key drawbacks? And the key drawbacks, first one is the communication barriers, quality control issues, security risk. Organization faces several hidden expenses as they manage and supervise their contracts. Companies who depend on vendors lose complete ownership control over their IT service operations. The company which I have selected for the analysis is the IBM. So, company overview is it's a multinational technology corporation. IBM specializing in the delivering IT services together with AI implementation, cloud computing capabilities, and consulting solutions. What is its focus? And in their main focus is on the digital transformation, hybrid cloud solutions, AI integration, and IT outsourcing services. And IBM's IoT sourcing strategy is the hybrid cloud and AI, partnering with the cloud providers and AI firms, managed IT services, offering IT support and infrastructure management to clients worldwide, strategic partnerships. Collaboration with the firms in India and Eastern Europe for software development and cybersecurity. Emphasis on the automation using AI and machine learning to enhance outsourcing efficiency. What is the impact of outsourcing on IBM's IT strategy? The utilization of external professionals for tasks unrelated to the core business operations leads to operational efficiency and improvements. Cost reductions stem from employing a workforce in the marketers with lower labor costs for competitive benefit. Films can boost innovation through partnerships with specialized development that focus on future development. The management of risk happens through strategic decisions about keeping certain operations internally yet partnering with the external entities to control risk. What is the conclusion? The practice of IT outsourcing at a global scale provides organization with the reduced cost and enhanced operational efficiency and worldwide specialized resources alongside potential security threats and dependencies on external vendors. IBM uses IT outsourcing as a strategic tool to deliver better service at reduced cost while quickening innovation processes. IT outsourcing generates success through the selection of strategic vendors coupled with the strong communication and secure cybersecurity systems. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I hope you all like it.